Good morning, students. Welcome to your moral science class. This is Aarti, your teacher. Today we shall start chapter 11, Believe in Yourself. We should believe in ourselves. It gives us self-confidence. Self-confidence helps us to get success in our life. Now I am going to read and explain this chapter. Listen carefully. Self-confidence is an inborn quality. It refers to the confidence which a person has on his own self. People who believe that they have the ability to become successful are called self-confident. Who are self-confident? People who believe that they have the ability to achieve their success are called self-confident. There are certain people who never think before doing anything. They are easily swayed by the opinion of others. They are not self-confident people. Those who never think before doing anything, they are not self-confident people. A self-confident person is not afraid of any situation. A person who has self-confidence do not afraid of any situation. They face any difficulties bravely. He or she has the ability to face the problem bravely. Self-confidence gives a person the power to achieve what he or she wants in life. Now I am going to read and explain one story how self-confidence helps a businessman to get success in his life. Listen carefully. Once a businessman went into debts and could see no way out. एक बिजनेसमैन जिसका दिवालिया हो गया, पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो चुका था. His customers were not making payments to him and his suppliers were demanding payments. One evening, he was sitting on a bench in a park with his head in hands, wondering if anything could save him from bankruptcy. एक शाम को वो पार्क में बेंच पर बैठ के सिर पे हाथ डाल के सोचने लगा कि कहीं कोई ऐसा कुछ हो जिससे मुझे ये दिवालियापन से बचा ले, बैंकरप्सी से बचा ले. Suddenly an old man appeared before him. I can see something is troubling you, he said. He said that something is troubling you. After listening to his words, the old man said, I believe I can help you. He asked the man his name and wrote a check and gave it into his hand. Take this money and meet me exactly after 1 year from today. उसने उस बिजनेसमैन का नाम पूछा और चेक पे उसका नाम लिख के साइन कर दिया और बोला ये पैसा लो और इस 1 साल बाद ठीक इसी दिन हमसे आके मिलो. You will be able to pay the money back to me. उस टाइम तू मेरा मनी वापस करने के में सक्षम रहोगे। द ओल्ड मैन turned and disappeared in the dark as quickly as he had come. The businessman was amazed, surprised to see that the check was 5 lakh and of rupees 5 lakh and signed by J.D. Rockefeller, one of the richest men in the world. He was surprised to see that check, 5 lakh rupees check, and signed by the J.D. Rockefeller, who was the richest person in the world. With this money, I can get rid of all my worries immediately. He thought that with this money, he can get rid all the worries immediately. However, instead of doing so, he decided to keep the check in his safe. He kept his check in his safe. He thought that the confidence of having such a huge amount of money might give him the strength to work out a way to save his business. Then he started with great courage and willpower, he started his business deals once again. He started his business once again with great courage. He worked hard and was able to save his business. He worked hard and fortunately, he succeeded to save his business. Within a short period of time, he paid all his debts and began to make money again. और कुछ ही समय के अंतराल में वो सारे कर्ज को चुकाकर और फिर से मनी जमा करने लगा. Exactly 1 year later, he went to the same park with that old check. According to the agreement, he was supposed to meet the old man there. He saw the old man coming towards him, but just as the businessman was about to hand him the check and tell him about his story of success, a nurse came running and caught the old man. वह वहीं पहुंचा उसी जगह पे जहां एग्रीमेंट हुआ था कि उस जगह पे 1 साल बाद मिलना है, और वहाँ ओल्ड मैन पहुँच ही रहा था. तभी जब तक ये कुछ स्टोरी अपने बताता सक्सेस का, उससे पहले नर्स ने उसके हाथ को पकड़ लिया, उस ओल्ड मैन के हाथ को पकड़ लिया. I am so glad I caught him. I hope he was not bothered you. The nurse said that I am very happy to caught him. मुझे आशा है कि ये आपको किसी तरह से ट्रबल नहीं किया होगा, कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया होगा. He always runs away from the asylum and tells everyone that he is J.D. Rockefeller, said the nurse. नर्स ने कहा ये हमेशा ऐसे ही भाग भाग के सबको कहते फिरता है कि वो J.D. Rockefeller है. The astonished businessman, surprised businessman, आश्चर्यचकित जो बिजनेसमैन, वो पूरी तरह से अमाज्ड हो गया, stunned. The astonished businessman was stunned, surprised. All these days he believed that he had $1 million check in his safe. वो सब दिन ये विश्वास रखता था कि उसके पास $1 million चेक है. However, now he realized that It was nothing more than a piece of paper. अब उसको ये रियलाइज हुआ कि ये कुछ भी नहीं था, ये बस एक पीस ऑफ पेपर था. It was his self-confidence that gave him the power and courage to achieve what he wanted. यह उसका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस था जो उसको अपने सक्सेस को अचीव करने में जो वो चाहता था उसमें हेल्प किया. मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी: हैव फेथ इन योर एबिलिटीज. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हेल्प्स अस to achieve what we want. I hope you all have understand this chapter and the moral of this story. That's it.